Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn how to draw our friend Daniel Tiger because he, along with Mr. Rogers, are the inspiration for our spring art show. Did you know that Daniel Tiger was originally created by Fred Rogers, who is a Pittsburgh legend? That's why they look alike. Today we're going to learn how to draw Daniel so we can have him up on display in our art show in the spring. Let's get started. On your piece of paper, what we're going to do, about in the middle, but a little bit lower than the middle. So find the middle of your paper and then draw your finger down just a little bit. And we're going to start with Daniel's nose. I'm going to start by making a V and then putting a curve on top so it looks like a pizza. Now that my nose is done, I'm going to go ahead and at the bottom of my pizza, I'm going to make a curve to the left, and then I'm going to make a curve to the right. Those are his little cheeks on his snout. Now I'm going to go ahead and make Daniel's mouth. In the bottom of these two curves, I'm going to go ahead and make another curve in the middle, and then a little baby one for his tongue. Underneath that mouth line, that curve, I'm just going to draw another curve. Look at that. All these curved lines, or these are also called arches. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw with my finger first. I'm going to draw a line that goes up and over Daniel's nose and connects to his other lip. We're gonna make like a big rainbow here. We wanna work slow, so we take our time. Finger draw first, so you can visualize your line. And now we're gonna start with our marker. I'm gonna go up and down. Work slowly. Awesome job, guys. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do Daniel's eyes. Underneath Daniel's eyes, he has a little curve for his cheeks because he's smiling at us. So I'm going to go ahead and do one curve on the top right, one curve on the top left. If they're not the same, that's totally fine. Your work does not have to be identical to the real Daniel Tiger. You can make your own special version of him. Right now he looks like he's kind of smiling, like he has his eyes closed, but we're gonna go ahead and draw his eyes now. So we're gonna draw a big curve, a big rainbow, part of an oval basically. We're gonna go up and down. So I'm gonna start in just a little bit from this first curve from his cheek. Go up and down. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Try your best to do them the same, but if it's not perfect, that's okay. Up and down. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and draw another curve. This is Daniel's pupil. They are all black. I'm going to do one on each side. And then in the top corner of his pupil, I'm going to do a little oval or a little half circle in the same place on both sides. That is the light that is reflecting and shining. So we want to make sure that the light is in the same side of his eye. Go ahead and color in your pupils now with your Sharpie. Remember, boys and girls, Sharpie markers are permanent, which means they do not come off. So the only place your Sharpie should go is on your paper, not on your hands, not on your nails, not on your clothes, not on your neighbor. All right, only on our paper. Go ahead and draw another double line above Daniel's eye. This is his little eyelashes. I'm just basically thickening up the line above it. Always looking so cute. Now, above his eyelashes, we're gonna draw two eyebrows. 1, 2. I'm going to start by just making a little curve and thickening it up. It almost kind of looks like a little slug. Your eyebrows could look different. They do not have to look like mine. You guys are being so focused. I'm so proud of you. All right. Now that we are done with Daniel's face, we're going to go ahead and put in his head. All right. Daniel has a very round head, and Daniel's eyes are about in the middle of his head. So if I were to kind of loosely measure from his eyes to right below his chin, that's about halfway, and then if I were to scooch, that's about where his head is going to go. So we want to make sure we have good proportions about where we want to go here. But we're going to start underneath, and we're going to start with just a curved line about here. And then very slowly, I'm going to draw with my finger first. I'm going to visualize. I'm going to curve up, 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 up until I almost, till I line up with his eyebrow. So I'm going to draw a curved line from here to here, here to here. Let's go ahead and try together. You could draw down or you could go up, totally up to you. Again, going very slow. It's easier for me to do my best work when I'm not talking and distracted by my friends. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to curve up, 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 till I hit about his eyebrow. Curve up, 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 till the eyebrow. Okay, and it's okay if one side is a little bit bigger than the other. Again, it's okay. Now, I'm going to put in Daniel's ears. Daniel's ears are a little bit lower than his head, so I'm going to start with a curved line, and then I'm just going to go up and down. Boing. Again, on this side. Draw a curve. Up and down. There we go. Looks like a little mouse kind of right now. I'm going to draw another half circle inside of his ears. And then lastly, up above, I'm going to go ahead and connect the top of his head. Okay. I can add a little bit of texture with a zigzag line right on my first line there, just to make him look a little more fluffy. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right, now let's add some stripes. In the middle of Daniel Tiger's head, he has a stripe in the middle, two curved lines that come to meet, and then two smaller ones on the sides. They're kind of like little rounded triangles. He has a few stripes on his side. Curve down and over. Down and over. Same on this side. Down and over. Down and over. Very good. Boys and girls, this is looking so cute. We're going to add a few more stripes, maybe on his ears. 2 or 3. And we're missing Daniel's whiskers. So right on his cheek, I'm going to go up and over, up and over, up and over. Same on the other side. Here we go. All right, boys and girls, your Daniels look so cute. We're not quite done yet. We're gonna add Daniel's red sweatshirt. Did you know that Mr. Rogers always wore a sweater on his show? And the reason why Daniel Tiger wears a red sweater is because they're trying to pay homage to Mr. Rogers wearing a sweater. Daniel Tiger wears more of a sweatshirt or a hoodie, and Mr. Rogers would wear it more of a traditional cardigan. But the red sweaters are meant to be very similar. So now, underneath our chin, we're gonna do a V. That's Daniel's little chest right there. And then underneath our V, we're gonna draw a V that goes like this. Down, up, down, up. There we go. I can draw 2 small little holes and draw 2 little lines for his strings. Now we're gonna make it easy peasy lemon squeezy. And all we're gonna do is draw a line down for his shoulder and down for his shoulder. Are you ready? Right around his cheek. Down and down. All right. Boys and girls, your Daniel Tiger is so darn cute. I absolutely love how he looks. I'm so proud of you. Now what we're